All right, it is time for circle. Let's go ahead and get started. We're taking a look at today. Today is March 2nd. It is our Dr. Seuss Celebration Day. Woo! All right, let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. 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 Sing it. Sunday. Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Your turn. I can't hear you. All right. We said it was going to be rainy today. Is it raining? No, thank goodness it is not. What kind of weather do we have outside? Sunny. Finally sunny weather. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Cloudy with sun? Okay. We're going to go ahead and put our partly sunny right there. All right, let's sing the alphabet. Sing it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you? Counting all the way to 15. Let's count together. 1, 2. All right, let's count backwards. Ready? Let's start at 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! All right, my daycare friends, what color is the bus? Yellow. Thank you, those friends. What color is the triangle, daycare friends? White. What color is sadness? My friends here, what color is the Oreo? Black. My friends here, what color is anger? What color is he? Red. My friends here, what color is Pinkie Pie? Pink. All right, daycare friends, what shape is yellow? Star. What shape is black? Rectangle. What shape is gray? Octagon. My friends here, what shape is blue? What shape is blue? Triangle. My friends here, what shape is pink? Heart. My friends here, what shape is brown? Diamond. What's another name for diamond, everybody? Rhombus. Our nursery rhyme this week is Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. All right, friends, we're going on. What letter are we working on this week? The letter? H. What letter is it? H. H starts at the beginning of a house. A helicopter. And who's this? Hulk. There we go. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Here. Letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Down. Where do you start your letters at the top? Up. Then you better start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Shake it in the middle. Top, top, top. Dalton. Mascot. Good job. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Shake it. No, it's the middle. Shake it. Listen, now top to the top. All right. Have a seat on bottom. Excellent. We're going to grab our big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. We're going to grab our other big line and put it on the other side. Now we're going to grab our little line and put it in the middle. What letter did we make? H. What does H say? What does H say? I can't hear you. Fingers at the top. And let's do it together. Big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. What letter did we make? H. H. And what does H say? Let's make it one more time. Fingers at the top. Let me hear you. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump over. Big line down. Little line across the middle. All right. Great job, friends. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time today.